Bonjour and welcome back to Le Podcast de Philippe.
Oh, it's great to be back.
Today we're diving into a fun topic,
Okay.
exploring a list we found online of 5 everyday situations where AI can be surprisingly helpful.
Interesting.
We're talking about those little moments where AI can step in and make life just a little bit easier, you know,
Yeah. Like what?
like figuring out what's for dinner or planning a vacation,
Okay.
even battling procrastination.
I could use some help with that.
We'll uncover some AI tools and solutions you might not even know existed.
I'm intrigued already.
Let's get started.
Sounds good.
It's amazing how AI is already seamlessly integrated into our lives, right?
It really is. It's not some far-off futuristic concept anymore.
Yeah,
It's here and now, ready to lend a helping hand.
absolutely. Take the classic what's for dinner dilemma.
Oh, yeah.
We've all been there, right?
Absolutely.
Staring blankly into a fridge full of random ingredients, just desperately seeking inspiration.
Yeah.
And that's where AI comes in.
Okay. So
There are these AI-powered apps Frigo Magic or Jow.
interesting.
They analyze your available ingredients, and then they suggest recipes tailored to what you already have.
So no more last-minute grocery runs
Yeah.
or settling for boring meals
Right?
because you don't know what to make.
It's like having a personal chef, but one that knows your pantry better than you do.
And what's really cool is that some of these ads can even cater to different dietary needs and preferences
Yeah.
within a household.
Imagine dinner planning not being a chore anymore,
Yeah.
but actually a fun, collaborative experience.
That'd be amazing.
AI is making that a reality.
That's really cool.
Moving on to our next everyday challenge, let's talk about the dreaded lost files fiasco.
Oh, yeah, I know that one all too well.
We've all experienced it.
Definitely.
That heart-stopping moment when you can't find, a crucial file in your computer.
Ugh, it's the worst.
Searching through endless folders, trying to remember, what you named that important document. It's a productivity nightmare.
It is.
But don't worry, AI is here to rescue us.
Okay, tell me more.
There are tools like Google Drive AI and Microsoft Copilot.
I've heard those.
They can actually locate files based on their content,
Oh, really?
even if you don't remember the exact file name.
So you're saying I can just type in a phrase or a keyword
Exactly.
and AI will find the file for me?
Like magic.
That's incredible.
It's like having a search engine that understands the meaning and the context of your files.
No more wasted time digging through digital clutter.
Exactly. It's a game changer.
It really is, especially for people like me who are a bit disorganized.
Speaking of breaking down barriers, let's talk about how AI is bridging communication gaps across languages.
Now that's something I'm really interested in.
So imagine finding yourself in a foreign country, right?
Yeah.
And struggling to understand signs menus or even just basic conversations.
It can be a really daunting experience.
For sure.
Especially if you don't speak the language.
Well, AI-powered translation apps like Google Translate DeepL and iTranslate are breaking down these language barriers in real time.
I've used those before. They're pretty amazing.
They've come a long way.
Yeah.
They offer text and voice translations, making it easier than ever to communicate with people from different cultures.
It's incredible how far they've come.
It goes beyond just spoken language, right?
Oh, yeah.
Some apps allow you to use your phone's camera to instantly translate written text.
Oh,
Imagine pointing your camera at a sign in a foreign language
yeah.
and having it instantly translated before your eyes.
That's the power of AI right there.
AI is making the world a more accessible and connected place, one translation at a time.
I love that.
Now let's talk about something we all love, vacations.
Okay, my favorite topic.
But let's be honest, planning a trip can sometimes feel more like a chore than a joy.
Yeah, tell me about it.
All the research and comparing prices and creating itineraries can be exhausting.
You really can.
That's where AI-powered travel platforms come in.
Like what?
Like Hopper, Google Travel, TripAdvisor AI.
I've heard of those.
They leverage vast amounts of data to compare deals, optimize prices, and personalize itineraries based on your preferences.
It's like having a personal travel agent.
Exactly.
Who can analyze millions of options.
And then present you with the best recommendations.
All tailored to your budget and interests.
AI is taking the stress out of travel planning.
So you can focus on the excitement of exploring new destinations.
Exactly.
I love that idea.
Our final stop on this AI adventure takes us to the realm of personal productivity.
Okay.
We all struggle with staying organized, meeting deadlines, battling procrastination.
Oh, yeah, big time.
Well, there are these AI-powered apps that are designed to help us conquer these productivity hurdles.
Really?
Apps like Notion AI, Todoist, and Forest AI.
Interesting.
They can help us manage tasks, set reminders, and track our progress.
So we can stay focused and achieve our goals.
Exactly.
It's like having a personal assistant
Right.
who keeps you on track.
And motivates you to stay productive.
That would be amazing.
And what sets these AI apps apart is their ability to learn from your habits
Real?
and then offer personalized insights and recommendations.
Like how?
They can analyze your work patterns and suggest optimal times for specific tasks, or even for breaks.
So you can work smarter, not harder.
Exactly. AI is like a secret weapon for boosting productivity and conquering those pesky procrastination tendencies.
I could definitely use that.
So there you have it, 5 surprising ways AI is already making everyday life easier and more enjoyable.
It's amazing how AI is just seamlessly integrated into so many aspects of our lives now.
Right, it's not just a futuristic concept anymore.
It's here and now, and it's actually making a real difference.
And we're just scratching the surface of what AI can do.
Wait.
As this technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative and impactful applications in the years to come.
It's an exciting time to be alive.
It really is, and it's up to us to embrace these advancements and explore the endless possibilities that AI has to offer.
I completely agree. You know, it's fascinating to think about how these, seemingly simple AI applications are actually revolutionizing entire industries.
Yeah, it's like those AI-powered recipe apps.
Right. Exactly.
They're not just about making dinner easier.
Right.
It's like they're potentially transforming the way we interact with food and plan our meals.
Yeah. They could reduce food waste by helping us use what we already have.
Well, that's a good point.
Maybe even connect us with local farmers and producers.
It's about creating a more sustainable and personalized food system.
Exactly.
And what about those file-finding AI tools?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, their impact goes way beyond just saving us a few minutes of frustration.
Absolutely. They're
Yeah.
changing how we organize and access information. Imagine a world where we no longer have to rely on rigid folder structures.
Yeah.
AI could help us find the information we need based on its content, regardless of where it's stored.
So it's not just about finding that one file.
No, it's about making information more accessible and empowering us to work more efficiently.
Like having a personal librarian for all of our digital files.
Exactly.
And speaking of access, those AI translation apps are opening up a whole new world of communication.
Right? They're breaking down language barriers that have existed for centuries. Think about the potential for global collaboration, cultural exchange, and understanding.
It's exciting to think about how AI is fostering connections between people from different cultures. Imagine attending a conference or traveling to a foreign country and being able to effortlessly communicate with anyone, regardless of their native language.
It's incredible to think about how AI is facilitating those kinds of interactions and making the world feel like a smaller, more interconnected place.
And let's not forget about the travel industry. AI is revolutionizing the way we plan and experience our vacations.
Gone are the days of spending countless hours researching destinations, comparing flights, and booking hotels. AI-powered travel platforms are making the entire process seamless and personalized.
So imagine a world where your travel agent is an AI that knows your preferences better than you do. It can curate unique experiences tailored to your interests, find hidden gems off the beaten path, and even suggest destinations you might never have considered.
It's about creating a travel experience that's truly unique and unforgettable, and it's not just about the planning. AI can also enhance our travel experiences while we're on the go.
Oh, right, like real-time translation apps that can help us navigate foreign cities,
Exactly.
or AI-powered travel guides that provide personalized recommendations.
And even AI-driven transportation systems that get us where we need to go efficiently and safely.
It's about creating a more seamless and enjoyable travel experience from start to finish.
Exactly.
It's amazing how AI is impacting every aspect of our lives, from the mundane to the extraordinary, and we haven't even touched on its potential to boost our productivity.
Think about it. AI can help us manage our time more effectively, prioritize tasks, and stay focused on our goals.
It's like having a personal coach who helps us reach our full potential. Those AI-powered productivity apps we discussed earlier are game changers. They're not just about checking things off a list. They're about helping us work smarter, not harder, and achieve a better work-life balance.
They can help us identify our peak productivity periods, minimize distractions, and even suggest ways to improve our workflows.
And as AI continues to evolve, who knows what other incredible tools and solutions will emerge.
It's an exciting time to be alive.
It really is, and it's up to us to embrace these advancements and explore the endless possibilities that AI has to offer.
Absolutely. AI is a tool that can empower us to live more fulfilling, productive, and connected lives.
Okay, so we've explored how AI is impacting various aspects of our lives, from the way we cook dinner to the way we travel the world. It's clear that AI is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's a powerful force that's shaping our present and our future.
And it's important to remember that AI is still in its early stages of development. We're just beginning to scratch the surface of its potential.
Which means the future of AI is full of exciting possibilities, but it also raises some important questions about the role of AI in society.
Yeah, we need to have thoughtful conversations about how to ensure that AI is developed and used ethically and responsibly.
That's a crucial point. It's our responsibility to shape the future of AI in a way that benefits all of humanity.
Yeah.
We need to consider the potential impact of AI on employment privacy and even our sense of self.
It's about finding a balance between embracing the transformative power of AI while also addressing potential risks and challenges.
And it's a conversation that needs to involve everyone, not just tech experts and policymakers. We all have a role to play in shaping the future of AI.
Absolutely. We need to educate ourselves about AI, engage in meaningful discussions, and advocate for responsible AI development.
It's a journey we're all on together, and it's essential that we approach it with a sense of curiosity, openness, and a willingness to learn and adapt.
It's about embracing the unknown and recognizing that the future of AI is not predetermined. It's a future that we are all creating together.
Well said. It's been a fascinating journey exploring the world of AI with you today. Your insights have been invaluable.
The feeling is mutual. It's always a joy to engage in these thought-provoking conversations.
Before we wrap up this episode, I wanted to give our listeners a chance to reflect on what they've learned and perhaps even consider how they might incorporate AI into their own lives.
That's a great idea. It's important to remember that AI is not just for tech experts or researchers, it's for everyone.
There are AI-powered tools and resources available for people of all ages and backgrounds.
Whether you're looking to simplify your daily routine, learn new skills, or explore creative possibilities, AI has something to offer.
It's an exciting time to be alive.
It truly is. The possibilities are endless.
We'd love to hear from you, our listeners. What are your thoughts on AI's potential to impact our lives? Have you had any personal experiences with AI that you'd like to share? Let us know in the comments below.
And if you're as intrigued by the world of AI as we are, be sure to subscribe to Le Podcast de Philippe on YouTube and like this video to stay up to date on the latest developments in this rapidly evolving field.
We'll continue to explore the frontiers of AI and bring you insights and perspectives that will help you navigate this transformative era.
Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.
It's interesting, as we've been talking about all these practical uses of AI, I can't help but think about its potential impact on something a little less tangible, like human creativity.
Oh yeah, the intersection of AI and art is a really fascinating area.
It really is pushing boundaries and sparking a lot of interesting debate.
For sure.
Like we're seeing AI compose music, write poetry, even create paintings.
It's amazing.
It makes you question what it means to be creative and who can be an artist.
It really does kind of blur the lines, you know?
Yeah, we're even seeing collaborations between AI and human artists,
Right?
leading to these really interesting works that neither could have created alone.
It's a new kind of partnership, almost like a fusion of human and artificial imagination. But it does make you wonder, is AI truly capable of original thought?
Yeah.
Or is it just mimicking what it's been trained on?
That's the big question, right?
Yeah, there's no easy answer, but whether we call it true creativity or not, AI is undoubtedly having a profound impact on the art world.
It's opening up new possibilities, pushing us to reconsider our definitions, and expanding our understanding of what art can be.
I think that's a really important point.
And it reminds us that AI isn't just about efficiency and automation, right?
Definitely not.
It's also about exploration, experimentation, and pushing the limits of human expression.
Exactly.
This deep dive into the world of AI has been a real eye-opener. Your insights have been incredible.
Well, thank you. It's been a pleasure being here.
It's always great to have such a stimulating conversation about such a transformative technology.
And to our listeners, thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. We hope you've gained a new appreciation for all the ways AI is shaping our world. And if you found this deep dive as fascinating as we did, be sure to subscribe to Le Podcast de Philippe on YouTube and give this video a like. We'll be back with more deep dives into all sorts of captivating subjects, exploring the frontiers of knowledge and sharing those discoveries with you. Until then, stay curious.